Hey guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode number 1041, robot bounded in circle. So we are on an infinite plane. We're starting at coordinates 0, 0. We're facing north. And we can receive instructions such as G, go straight 1 unit, L, turn 90 degrees to the left, and R, turn 90 degrees to the right. We're going to perform all of the instructions given in order and repeat them forever. And we need to return true if we are bounded by some circle in the plane. Okay, so the trivial condition that lets us return true is if after performing all of our instructions, we are ending up at the same starting coordinate. So that means that we are not moving one bit and maybe we're just changing direction, but that doesn't matter because we're staying at the same position, right? So that's the first condition that lets us return true straight away. And the other condition, which is less trivial, is if you're changing your direction, remember that since we're going to repeat the same instructions forever, if you move like any amount of steps in any direction, but then you change that direction, it means that the next time you do that same thing, you're not going to be moving in the same direction as before. So you're going to be curving some amount, and then you're going to keep doing that over and over and over. So you're going to end up sooner or later, like after some cycles, you're going to be ending up at the same starting position sooner or later. So yeah, that's the other condition. If you are changing, if after performing all of the instructions, your direction has changed, so you're no longer facing north, then you can return true as well. Okay, so now it's just what's left is just to code it up. So as you know, I like to define the directions in which I can move. So this is north, this is east, south, and west. So we start at the north, meaning that I'll have to keep track with some variables of the current position, which starts at 0, 0, and we start facing north, which is the first element, so index 0. And now we want to simulate following all of these instructions. So we use a loop to go through all of our instructions. And if the instruction is G, just move forward by how much is written in the cardinal directions with the index of current direction. So we just add to the first element of the cardinal direction, and to the second element of our position, the second element of the cardinal direction. And then we need to check for the rotations. So if the instruction is L, move back in the cardinals array, meaning that you will turn counterclockwise, and R is going to move us forward in the cardinals array, meaning that we're turning clockwise. And now we just need to check if we went out of bounds. And here's the case when you go out of bounds by, like, you go to -1. This is how you can fix it. And now we're also going to fix the case where we go to indices that are too big. So we go to like 4 or 5, we just module it. Okay. And now we just need to put the returning conditions. So as I was saying before, if we change direction, meaning that our current direction is no longer 0, it's some other value, then we want to return true. And one other condition that makes us return true is if the current position is the same as the starting one. So it's still 0 and 0. So yeah, that's how we check for it. And if we are at the starting position at the end, then we can return true because we are on a circle at the beginning, like without even repeating the instructions, we are already bounded. And if none of these hold true, then we need to return false. So that's it. I'm going to submit the solution to show you that it works. And it does. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and bye.